Okay, so I think I'm recording at least. Thank okay. That's a terrible intro. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Yeah. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a half decent Discord server, like my one. It's okay, but like it's not the best. So the first thing you're gonna have to do, okay, create a new server. Let's just call this server for video. You know what? No, let's go, because I want people to actually join and I want you guys to see. So let's call it something cool. Maybe Flat Earth Society.
Bruh.
Okay, and then we need a half decent profile picture. So let's go to Chrome. Flat. Oh God, nope, no, no. Okay.
Bruh.
What is? Okay, Michael's. I did not search this stuff up. Okay. Earth. Okay, let's see what this image has. There it is. Okay. Flat Earth Society. Okay. Just create a simple owner role. Let's call it founder. Founder. I'm trying to go quick, right? Okay, so let's just give that role to myself. And I'm just gonna remove the actually no, it's fine, it's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna create, so this is what you have to do to create a professional server, right? So all servers that are good have an announcements channel. So like, okay, and how to set up the permissions for that, you just go to permissions, make sure you're on everyone, turn the send messages to no, close, okay, drag this to the top, okay. Next, there's a few more essential channels. There's a suggestions, the only, make sure you add a description too. Okay, and put for the suggestions, I put a 2-minute slow mode, and voice channel, depending on what type of server it is. I guess I'm just gonna do VC1, VC2, and VC3. Okay, and there's one more thing I'm gonna do with the everyone permission. I'm gonna edit so they can go live. Where is mention? They cannot mention everyone. Okay, and this is not required. I'm just gonna make an advert. You know what? Okay, economy and bot commands. Okay, so that's so far what we need, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, next you have to. That's pretty much it for the channels, I guess. Next, you go to this website, discordbots.org. It's also called top.gg. You can use, there's a couple bots you can use. You can use Me6. Yeah, you can use Arcane, Me6, Anchor. There's a few more. Centro. Oh god, not Sentry. Centro. There's this one, Centro. And Unbelievable. This is the one I use the most because it's actually pretty good. Flat Earth Society, okay. Okay, next with the, I'm just gonna add all the bots I need right now. So you may or may not want a music bot. I'm just gonna create a bots role. Actually, no, make sure you give every single bot administrator. Just make, oh shoot, nope, no. Just make sure you give every single bot administrator permissions. Okay, I'm just gonna scroll down. Delete new role. Okay. Next, I'm going to go to, oh yeah, music. Okay, so you could use Yui. That's the one I use the most. There's also rhythm. Okay. And there's also, I'm gonna check my own server. Oh yeah, never mind. You just need 2 more bots. Well, one is optional. No, but they're both. Okay, so partner bot. This is a bot called partner bot. Yeah, is it this? No, it's this one. Make sure it's the one with the black and white. Okay, we're gonna invite that one, and last is Disboard. Well, no, for Disboard, you're gonna want to go to disboard.org, right? Okay, then you go to servers. Oh wait, no. So up here, it's gonna ask you to log in, right? So I'm just gonna go to my servers. Add in, and here you're gonna want to. Okay, it's synced. Okay, Flat Earth Society. For this, I'm just gonna make it community. Okay, so you can only have 5 tags on Discord. So for description, just write a half decent description. So I'll be back when I'm done writing my description. Okay, so I'm done with the description, and so you want to make sure public is not selected and add bot is selected. Okay. So Flat Earth Society. Okay, so it's on private. You want to edit it. Make it public, cause save. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, let me just make all the bots have administrator permissions. Moderation. Okay, moderation. Okay, and here the first thing you want to do, because you're officially done with the setup of your server, you don't need to create any more channels. It's not like essential, I guess. You can create a music channel, create a music voice chat, music one. For realistically, you only need 2. I mean, you only need 1, but like I like to have 2 music channels. Okay, permissions, you have to make sure nobody can speak. Nobody can speak. Okay, so once nobody can, yeah, you have to make sure nobody can speak. And in here, yeah, so moderation. So what you want to do is go to at um uh, Unbelievable's default prefix is exclamation point. So and it might conflict with other bots, so that's why I always go to at Unbelievable prefix. I set it to slash usually, so then okay, so that's pretty much. So that there's two commands you need to start off and learn pretty much everything. Slash help modules. Okay, right now all we're gonna do is economy and income. Slash help economy. Okay, so setting the start balance, it's pretty self-explanatory. Everything in here is pretty self-explanatory. So like yeah, in my server I reset the economy once weekly. So yeah, pretty much yeah. Set the start balance. It's pretty self-explanatory. Like set start balance. Okay, 50. Oh wait, no. Before we do any of this, do slash set dash currency. You can pretty much change it. It's the symbol for what your currency is gonna be. So I guess it could be for me this Earth Americas. So like slash now it's gonna I guess 100 is good. So the balance is 100. Okay. So yeah, that looks good so far. And okay, so you can have the money on it log. I personally do not use it. But yeah, so there for this system there's a bank and everything and blah blah blah. And yeah, so and for here there's slash work slash yeah. So slash help in income. That shows everything you can do to get money, and you can even set it so that when you chat you can gain money for like, so it makes users more active. I make that a must-have for my server. So slash chat money min. I usually set that to 10. Oh wait, no, chat money amount 10, I guess 10, 25, and oh, slash chat money amount min 10 slash chat money amount max 25. Okay, so that's what it should be, right? And then you're gonna need this. You're gonna need both of these. Slash chat money channels. You're gonna wanna only put it in general. And to prevent, oh wait, what? Slash chat money. Enable general. Okay, so now you can gain money from general, and to prevent spam, you do slash chat money cool down. I usually do 30 seconds, but like you can do a minute, a day, an hour. But like yeah, it's pretty much it for that. So for next, we're gonna go for the channels. So edit for announcements for the channel topic. I just put announcements. General. Oh yeah. At the start, I do UE clean 99. So then UE cleans the entire thing, so it's a clean slate at the beginning. It's pretty nice. Here. Yeah, I think it's good here. It's a lot. I know it's a lot, But like, yeah. Next, you want to go to server settings, invites. You want to delete the one that expires. I guess you could use the one Discord gives, but like, if you want more accurate results for who invites who, I'm gonna create a new invite link. Set it to no limit. Okay. No, at everyone. Here is the server invite permalink. Then I'm gonna do bold. This. That. Wait, no. That. Paste. That. Okay. Let's close out of that. And, oh shoot. Yeah, I think I screwed it up. Yep, I did. There. Why the heck can't I close out of that? Whatever. You should be able to close out of that. And yeah. So that's pretty much it for the first episode. I might, if this gets 7 likes, I'll upload a second one on how to like get members fast. But like the last thing I guess you guys need to know to get members is Discord bump. Okay, it automatically just displays your server on Discord's website. Bumped recently. See, my server's right here. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace.